Okay, before we start our lesson for today, let's know first our classroom rules. Okay, our first rules is sit properly. Lahat ba nakaupo ng maayos, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second, if you want to speak, hindi ka nasusulatan sa blackboard. If you want to speak, please raise your hand. The next, if the teacher is talking, makinig ng mabuti. Naiintindihan ba?
Oo.
Okay. I have here pictures. Then all you have to do is to say cheese if the picture is considered as Falklands. And before we proceed to our next lesson, let's do this exercise first. I have here sample pictures, and all you have to do is to say cheese if the picture is considered as Falklands, and choose if the picture is not. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Cheese.
Cheese. Do you think, anong klaseng sayo to, class? Alam mo ba to? Yes, it is Cariñosa. Do you have any idea about Cariñosa? Okay. Later, magkakaroon tayo ng discussion about Cariñosa. Next, how about this picture?
Chos.
Chos, kasi hip-hop. Next,
Cheese.
cheese kasi
Tinikling.
tinikling. Next,
Chos.
sauce. And last, we have
Cheese.
anong klaseng sayo ito, class?
Pandang mo sa ilaw.
Yes, pandang mo sa ilaw. Okay. So, our topic for today is all about Cariñosa. Kanina, tinanong ko kayo kung may idea na kayo about Cariñosa. And sinabi nyo, wala. So, let's have a discussion